Let's get the battery right in. All right, turned on this time. Right, so what we're gonna do next, let's go. Wait, oh, that's odd. Did I just hear a pellet drop? Yeah, a few did. Okay. All right. Igniter error. Please check the igniter is properly connected to the control board. All right. Let me check it. Let's look into the control board. All right. So here I'm about to do another cook. Normally, it's an issue with the fan not starting. So it gives me a fan error and I have to remove the plate, check to see the board, see what's going on, unplug, plug the fan back in, and then it works. But now, this is the first time I've gotten this igniter error. Please check for the igniter is properly connected to the control board, error code 103. And I did hear some pellets drops, and then there's a few. So let's check it out. All right, battery is out. So now this time it's the igniter. So this goes to the battery fan. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna do these. Because honestly, I do not know which one from these go to the igniter. So your guess is mine unless you know. All right, battery fan. Okay, so let's see if that's correct, right? All right, battery's back in. All right, here we go. All right, fan kicked on. Okay, I'm looking right now. As you can see, it's going on its own. All right, I haven't done anything. I haven't even set the temp. And there it is. Igniter error. Please check igniter is properly connected to the control board. Error code 103. All right, let's try it again. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm just plug them on, plug them back in. All right, because unless it's these connections that it also needs to be unplugged and plugged back in, but it's that's to the board. All right, well, here's the battery. So let's get you back on. And okay. All right, back on. Should I just go, what the hell, just do this too or what? All right, that's back on. I don't want to go through every single one. All right, let's do this one. Okay. Sorry if you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm just plugging them in. All right, let's try that. All right, let's see. Snap, snap, snap. All right, battery. Back in. All right. Fans back on, turned on. All right. There it goes again. It's dropping them. You ready? You ready for that error code? What do you think? There it is. Mm-hmm. All right, let's hit the retest, see what happens. Same thing, right? Let's check. Then it'll pop up. There it is. Well, at least you're working, fan. All right, gonna shut it down. Okay, I went and I unplugged every wire and reconnected them. So let's see. All right. No, now it's gonna be a fan issue. I know it's gonna be a fan issue because that battery isn't lit up. See, the fan's not even going. You don't see it. You don't hear it. All right. Let me okay, see. All right, let me disconnect the fan from the board, reconnect it, and then let's try it. All right, so let's try it again. I unplugged for the battery and connected it. I'm not for the battery, I'm sorry, for the fan. All right, so now I can tell the fan's gonna work. Yep. You hear it? Fan. All right. Up. One dropped. I hear it clicking. It's moving, it's dropping, it's dropping. Error code for igniter. Is it coming up? Is it coming? Is it coming? There it is. All right. All right. All right. The plan was to use this pellet grill from ASMOKE, but as you can tell, it's giving me an issue, right? Yeah, I know. Clown on me. It's a pellet grill. What do you expect? This is what you're gonna get, right? It's what you're gonna get. And hey, ASMOKE sent it to me, the review. So obviously, it's not gonna work out for right now. I do have one video up about this pellet grill, but a review is gonna come soon about it. So yeah. So we got old Weber right here, hot rod, right? It's gonna do the job. So I'm gonna use this because I couldn't use this.